Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eka Solistiana. I'm a student of University Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi and I take English Education Program as my major. And in this video, I would like to presentation about my research paper. And this video, I make to submit my final assignment of study seminar on ELT by Mrs. Eli Susanti. And the title of my research is The Factor Influence to Student Listening Anxiety at the second semester of English Education Study Program of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi University at the academic year 2021 and 2022. The first is Introduction. 1.1 Background the problem. Listening is one of skill in English that is considered difficult but often neglected when compared to other skill, namely speaking, writing, and reading skill by Richard and Redanda 2002. That is happened because listening is a process to remembering the word, understand the language, and need more focus to get all the information by audio. According to Gilakjani and Sabori 2016, pages 124, listening is a process of receiving what speaker says, making and showing meaning, negotiating meaning with the speaker and answering, and creating meaning by participation, creativity, and empathy. Listening can be difficult to be understood by student if the student not accept the word. That Gerbera 2000, pages 143. Stated that listening is not passive skill but an active skill because listener need to be receptive to other, which included paying. 1.2 Focus the problem. Focus of the problem is to describe what are influence factor listening anxiety at second semester student in English Education Program of University Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi academic year 2020-2022. 1.3 Formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem is what are the influence factors to student in listening anxiety of English Education Program at University Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi academic year 2021-2022. 1.4 The objective of the research. The objective of the research is to describe what are the influence factors listening anxiety of second semester student in English Education Program at University Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi academic year 2021-2022. 1.5 Usage of the research. 1.5.2 As a theoretically, the result of this research is to support the existing theories about listening anxiety. 1.5.2 As a practically, to give information more detailed to lecturer, student, and reader about influence factor in listening anxiety and to support the next researcher. 2. Theory review. 2.1 The definition of listening. Listening is a process of receiving what speakers say, making and showing meaning, negotiating meaning with the speaker, and answering, and creating meaning by participation, creativity, and empathy. Gilakjani and Sabori 2016, pages 124. 2.2 The definition of anxiety. Anxiety is feeling of fear nervousness which obstruct the learning process. Xu 2011. Anxiety occurred to the student when they were afraid of having had result. Xu 2011. 2.3 Factor influence in listening anxiety. Actually, there are two factors that influence listening anxiety, namely tension and worry over English listening and lack of confidence in listening to audio. 2.3.1 Tension and worry over English listening audio. According Krim 2000, tension and worry over English listening is the condition that is related to listening apprehension. The listener can feel anxious in listening the speaker. The situation can be seen when the student is quickly forgetting of what speakers say, not recognizing the word they know, understanding the message but not intended message, neglecting next part while thinking about meaning. Gob 1999. 2.3.2 Lack of confidence in listening to audio. According to Kim 2000, Lack of confidence can be experienced by the student who have experience of failure in listening activity. Negative experience in student can make negative memory to student in listening activity. 3. Research method. 3.1 Research method. This research using method descriptive qualitative. Bogan and Bicklin in MZIR 2010, pages 3. Qualitative research descriptive, the data collected taken from words of picture rather than number. Sugiono 2015, pages 9, say that qualitative research method is a research based on philosophy positive, which can be used to research on natural object, and the researcher is the main kind of instrument to research. 3.2 Location and data research. The location of this research is at University of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi, and the data research is the second semester student of English education program in listening class. 3.3.2 Interview guideline. In this research, use type of interview is semi-structured. The researcher used semi-structure to interview the student. Esther Beck in Sugiono 2015, pages 333, say that the interview has various kind of interview, namely structured interview, semi-structured interview, and unstructured interview. 3.3.3 Questionnaire. In this research, use questionnaire instrument. According to Sugiono 2015, pages 103, question is the data collecting technique to carry out by give a set of questions for students to be answered. The question has two types. The first is open-ended question, and the second is closed-ended question. In this research, will be used closed-ended question that focus on to find the influence factor in listening anxiety. 3.4 Data collecting technique. 3.4.1 Interview. The researcher chose interview because interview can give information more detail about the factor influence to students in listening anxiety. In this research, will be used semi-structured interview. 3.4.2 Questionnaire. In this research, the researcher used closed-ended question for second semester student of English education program at University Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi academic year 2021-2022. The closed-ended question will be given at finish of learning process to get information about their factor influence in listening anxiety. 3.5 Data analysis. Bogdan and Sugiono 2012, pages 144, stated that the data analysis is the process of systematically searching and arranging the interview transcripts, field notes, and other material that can be collected to increase the understanding and to enable presenters have discovered to others. Mills and Haberman, 1994, page 4, stated that the questionnaire data consists of four construct flows of the activity: data collection, data reduction, data display, drawing, and conclusion.